Do you see these videos where the AI is expanding the photos and you want to create a video just like that? This is a cool little effect that uses AI to expand people's images, and you can do this for free. You will only need the TikTok and CapCut applications in order to create this viral video, and you can get both of them on the App Store if you are an iPhone user, or the Google Play Store if you use an Android device. So if you have both applications, we can open the TikTok app, and then we'll click on this little magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. In order to open the TikTok search, we will then type AI expand image and search for this keyword, and you will see a bunch of different videos in the search results with this template applied over them. In order to create a video of your own, you want to open any of these videos that have this effect, and then click on this CAPCUT Try AI Expand template. And then we will select the Use Template in CapCut option. We then have to wait a second or two until our template imports in the CapCut editing app, where we will see a little preview on how our video will look like. One of the last steps is to select the photos for our video, so let's tap on the Use Template button at the bottom right corner of the screen. That is going to open our photo gallery, where we have to select a couple of photos for the template. Some templates require you to select 4 photos, but this template allows me to add 6 different photos. So when you add your photos, simply tap on the preview, and then CapCut is going to do its thing. It is going to create our video with the help of AI, and it will expand your images. Some results are quite fascinating, some are funny, and some are creative. You can use this template and see what the AI is going to expand your image in. I like mine, so I'll save it to the photo gallery, and you can even share this with your friends or family members on TikTok or Instagram Reels.